Okay. That was a handful. Okay. Alright. One and it sounds, yeah, it sounds throaty, it sounds dead. Relax lang. Relax lang. Wala kayong pinatutunayan. You are enough. Wow! Naging life coaching. You are enough. Sige, try natin. Relax lang. Sige. Okay. One more. Pwedeng mas open pa yung medyo sumala pa ng slide, but we'll have to move forward. Sige, parinig, sopranos, altos, tenors together. Okay, nabubuo na. Sige. So now the basses. Where my basses at? Yeah, best boys. Bias. The joke lang. I love you all. Okay. The Lord. One, two, and the Lord. Simple lang yung instruction. Sige, let's do Elite first. 1, 2, and... Okay, great. Okay na naman yung bawel. The challenge for you is to listen to the other voices. Kasi I know, boring, I'm just gonna sing 2 notes. Pero if you know what's happening with them, while it's on my life, it's not just a sustained note. Hindi lang siya, my life. Nagpantay. When you know what happens, you remember the eagle, you flap, and then pagdating sa B flat, you're soaring now. So it's my love. May ganon. Okay. Okay. Parinig bases. Imagining what the others are doing. 1, 2, and the Okay, great. Sige, so you're there to support them. Wow. You're like memory foam. Ang gulo-gulo nila sa taas, tapos kayo, ay, sige, mag-adjust ako. Ganun. Sige, let's hear with everybody. Great. Okay. Sige, let's do it in succession. Once in unison, tapos... sige. Once in unison and then twice daw in harmony. Okay. Okay, this meeting is being recorded. So if you, kasi may strict na kasi sa tawag doon? Data privacy. So, if you do not want to be recorded. If you don't want to be recorded, cover your face or leave the room. Okay lang. So, okay, you are being recorded, just so you know. Okay.